QRZ KC1 ATW over.
Kilo Echo 8, Lima, Quebec Radio.
Could you repeat your call sign one more time?
Yeah, Kilowatt Echo 8, Lima, Quebec Radio. Kilowatt Echo 8, Lima, Queen Romeo. Yourself?
QSL Kilo Echo 8 Lima Quebec Romeo KC1 ATW. Actually, your signal is strong, but I was multitasking. Sorry for that. So 5.9, I think the 10 dB over 5.9 in Massachusetts. Kilo 2437 over.
Can I have your call sign, please? A few times. Call sign.
No problem. My call sign is a Kilo Charlie 1 Alpha Tango Whiskey. Kilo Charlie 1 Alpha Tango Whiskey. QSL?
Is that Kilowatt Charlie 1 Alpha Echo Whiskey to yourself?
Negative. Not Echo. It's a Tango. Alpha Tango Whiskey. Alpha Tom Whiskey. Alpha Tom Whiskey or Alpha Tokyo Whiskey. Alpha Tokyo Whiskey. QSL?
Kilo Charlie 1 Alpha Tango Whiskey?
QSL.
Okay, QSL. Your signal got a little bit better there just now. You're about a 5757 into Ohio, Oscar Hotel, Mammoth State, Kilo Alpha Tango Echo.
QSL, Ohio. Thank you for calling. And then Happy New Year. 73. Bye-bye.
73.
This is Whiskey 8, Quebec, India. Whiskey 8, Queen, India. Roger.
Whiskey 8, Quebec, India. Thank you for your calling. Your signal very strong. 5.9 in Massachusetts. Kilo 2437. My name is Dong. Back to you. W8QI KC1ATW over.
Okay, KC1, Alpha Tango Whiskey. This is W8, Queen, India. Okay, you're very strong too into Virginia. You're 5'9", and your signal is very strong. Yes, my signal is good, but my microphone is not very well. I'm in remote, and well, I am from Argentina. I am LU1XOP, my call sign in Argentina, and I'm in a remote station in Virginia. I'm running an amplifier and a flexi radio. Okay, back to you. Kilo Charlie 1 Alpha Tango Whiskey. This is Whiskey 8, Queen, India.
QSL Whiskey 8, Quebec, India. KC1 ATW returning. By the way, may I have your name over?
Could you repeat, please? I couldn't hear very well.
Yeah, may I have your name? Your name break?
Oh, okay. My name is Theo, Tango, Hotel, Echo, Oscar. Theo. Roger?
QSL Theo, QSL Theo. Yeah, your voice, your audio is strong, but a little bit muffled, but 100% copy, no problem at all. And actually, your signal is 20 dB, 20 dB over 5.9. Back to you, W8QI KC1ATW over.
Okay, I was watching your church page, and it's very nice. I left you so you can call and get more station and make more contact. It was a pleasure to talk to you. Kilo Charlie 1 Alpha Tango Whiskey. This is Whiskey 8 Queen India. 73. Good luck and good contact. Have fun at the park. 73.
Okay, 73 Theo. Okay, Happy New Year. Bye bye, 73.
Lima.
Kilo 1 Kilo Lima. KC1 ATW. You also 5'9" in Massachusetts. Kilo 2437 over.
Okay, Dong, I know Halibut Point State Park quite well. I am in New Hampshire, just across the water from you. I can see you, I think. And I have you 5'9" in New Hampshire. 5'9" November Hotel. Over.
QSL. Oh, that's the reason. Your signal very strong. So it seems that we are super local now. So here is weather. I think we have a same weather, so I don't need to report to that. By the way, may I have your name over?
Roger, this is Kevin, Kilo Echo Victor India November. And I am a member of the Gloucester Amateur Radio Association, which is the town that you are in or right next to. You're either in Rockport or in Gloucester right now. So great to talk with you, and welcome to the area.
Okay, QSL Kevin. Yeah, actually, I until 27, I lived in Beverly, and I used to come to Gloucester and Rockport because this is a very nice, beautiful city. I like this one, especially for the driving on Sunday morning. And this week I am a day off, so I came to here, and then still nice scenery. Back to you, Kevin. K1KL, KC1ATW, over.
Very good. Well, I see you are from Utah, and that's a great state and beautiful scenery there. Well, get some more contacts and have fun in the park, and Happy New Year. This is Kilo 1, Kilo Lima, saying 73.
73, Happy New Year, Kevin. 73, bye-bye.
Kilo Delta 4, Alpha Delta Charlie, mark the call.
Kilo Delta 4 station. Could you repeat your call sign one more time, please?
Kilo Delta 4, Alpha Delta Charlie. Kilo Delta 4, Alpha Delta Charlie, over.
QSL, Kilo Delta 4, Alpha Delta Charlie, KC1HW. Your signal 55 in Massachusetts, K2437, over.
Roger, I appreciate the 5 and 5. You are 5 and 9. 5 and 9 into Alabama. My park is Kilo 1035. Kilo 1035, over.
QSL, Kilo 1035, Alabama. Oh, that's a DX. Oh, I am very happy. Make a DX contact. 73, and Happy New Year. Bye-bye. Happy New Year, 73.
Kilo 4, Oscar, Mike, Juliet.
Kilo 4, Oscar, Mike, Juliet, KC1ATW. I think we met before. I believe it's on Christmas Day. So it's good to hear your voice again. KK4, OMJ, KC1ATW, over.
QSL Donk, thank you very much for picking me up. Yes, we work, I don't know if it was yesterday or a few days ago. So nice to talk to you again. You are sounding great at 5757 into the state of Kentucky. Kilo Yankee, QSL.
QSL, Kentucky, QTH, Kentucky. Okay. Yeah, thank you for replying. And your signal are very strong. I think it's a 10 dB over 5.9. Back to you, over.
Thank you very much for the 10 over into Massachusetts. Enjoy the activation of the park. And 73, have a great day.
73. QRZ, KC1ATW, over.
Kilo 4, Alpha Delta Sierra.
Kilo, I'm sorry, Delta Charlie. Could you repeat your call sign again, please?
Kilo 4, Alpha Delta Sierra.
QSL, Kilo 4, Alpha Delta Sierra, KC1ATW returning, 5959 in Massachusetts, Kilo 2437, over.
Thank you very much for the 5-9. You're also 5-9 here in Central Florida, Orlando to be exact. Back to you.
Thank you for great signal report. I am running about 100 watts with a whip antenna, vertical whip, homemade whip antenna about 16 feet. So how much power running you? How much power running? Back to you, K4 ADS, KC1 ATW, over.
I'm running about 500 watts, and I'm using an icon 300 and a hex beam pointed your way, over.
QSL. Signal just dropped, so there is a small QSB. Anyway, so still 100% copy. Thank you for calling, and have a nice day. 73, bye-bye.
Happy New Year, 73.
Happy New Year, 73.
November Hotel. Kilo 9, India Charlie Papa.
Kilo 9, India, Charlie Papa, KC1 ATW returning. You are 59 in Massachusetts, Kilo 2437 QSL.
QSL, I have you 57 Indiana, 57 Indiana.
QSL 57 Indiana. Happy New Year, 73.
73, Happy New Year.
QRZ KC1 ATW, over.
Alpha Delta 4, Juliet X-ray.
Alpha Delta 4 Juliet X-ray, KC1 ATW. You also 59 in Massachusetts, Kilo 2437. Back to you, KD4 JX, KC1 ATW, over.
QSL, you are 57, Northwest Georgia. Thank you for the activation and Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, 73. QRZ, Kilo Charlie 1, Alpha Tango Whiskey POTA.
Kilo 4, Hotel, November Hotel.
Kilo 4 November, Hotel November Hotel, KC1 ATW. Your signal 57 in Massachusetts, Kilo 2437, over.
Roger, have you 54 in Georgia, QSL.
QSL 54 in Georgia.
QRZ at 109 KIY.
KC1 ATW, Kilo Charlie 1 Alpha Tango Whiskey, park to park.
The park station, please go.
Yeah, Kilo Charlie 1 Alpha Tango Whiskey. Location Kilo 2437 QSL.
Roger, Kilo Charlie 1 Alpha Tango Whiskey, 57 in South Carolina, Park 3916 QSL.
QSL, you are 57, same 57 in Massachusetts, Kilo 2437. 73, bye-bye.
73, and good luck. QRZ.